How to grow your wealth. Welcome to my channel. Growing your wealth is a journey that requires strategic planning and financial discipline. It involves saving, investing, and making informed financial decisions. This process can lead to financial security, independence, and the ability to achieve your long-term goals. Here are key steps to help you on this path to wealth growth. Whether you're just starting or well on your way, these strategies can guide you toward building and preserving your financial prosperity. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 10. Seek professional advice. Seeking professional financial advice is a pivotal step in growing wealth. Financial advisors possess expertise in diverse investment strategies, tax planning, and risk management, helping individuals make informed decisions aligned with their goals. They provide a holistic view of your financial health, tailor strategies to your unique circumstances, and adapt them as life evolves. From maximizing tax advantages to optimizing asset allocation, professional advice can significantly boost wealth-building efforts. Moreover, advisors offer a steady hand during market turbulence, helping clients avoid emotional reactions that can erode long-term gains. When aiming for financial success, a trusted advisor's guidance is an invaluable asset. Number 9. Reinvest dividends and interest. Reinvesting dividends and interest is a powerful strategy for wealth growth. Instead of pocketing these earnings, reinvestment involves channeling them back into your investments. Over time, this compounding effect can significantly amplify your wealth. The reinvested earnings generate additional income, which in turn generates even more income. This compounding snowball effect can substantially increase your overall returns, especially when investing in assets like stocks and mutual funds. Patience is key. Over the long term, reinvested dividends and interest can substantially boost your wealth, making it a cornerstone of building a financially secure future. Number 8. Tax efficiency. Tax efficiency is a vital element in wealth building. It involves minimizing the impact of taxes on your investments and financial transactions, thus preserving more of your wealth. Strategies such as using tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs and 401(k), capital loss harvesting, and tax-efficient fund selection can help reduce your tax liability. By doing so, you can retain a more significant portion of your earnings and allow your investments to grow at a faster rate. Maximizing tax efficiency not only enhances your returns, but also ensures that you're making the most of your hard-earned money, ultimately accelerating your journey towards financial prosperity. Number 7. Educate yourself. Education is the cornerstone of wealth accumulation. Empowering yourself with financial knowledge and literacy is essential to make informed decisions. Learning about various investment options, understanding risk, and grasping the nuances of personal finance can prevent costly mistakes and maximize returns. It allows you to identify opportunities, navigate complex financial markets, and adapt to changing economic conditions. Continual self-education helps you stay ahead and make strategic choices that align with your financial goals. From budgeting and saving to investment strategies, the more you know, the better equipped you are to grow your wealth over time, making education an invaluable asset on your financial journey. Number 6. Automate investments. Automating investments is a potent tool for wealth accumulation. It instills financial discipline by ensuring a consistent and regular commitment to savings and investment, even in the face of temptation or distractions. With automated transfers from your bank account to investment vehicles like stocks, mutual funds, or retirement accounts, you take advantage of dollar-cost averaging. This means you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when they're high, which can mitigate market volatility. Automating investments also ensures that you're consistently growing your wealth without the need for active day-to-day management. It's a simple yet effective way to build financial security and reach long-term goals. Number 5. Retirement accounts. Retirement accounts are powerful tools for wealth growth and financial security. They come in various forms like 401(k), IRAs, or pensions, and offer unique tax advantages that can turbocharge your savings. Contributions to these accounts are often tax-deductible, and the earnings can grow tax-deferred, allowing your investments to compound more rapidly. Many employers also match a portion of your contributions, effectively giving you free money for your retirement. Over time, these accounts can amass substantial wealth, ensuring a comfortable retirement. By prioritizing contributions and harnessing the tax benefits, retirement accounts serve as a crucial pillar in your journey towards a prosperous and worry-free financial future. Number 4. Invest. Investing is a fundamental strategy for wealth growth. By allocating your money into assets like stocks, bonds, real estate, or businesses, you have the potential to earn a return on your capital. Over time, this return can compound, significantly increasing your wealth. Diversifying your investments helps spread risk and optimize returns, balancing the potential for growth with prudent risk management. While investing carries inherent risks, staying informed and maintaining a long-term perspective can help navigate market fluctuations. Whether through individual investments or diversified portfolios, investing is a cornerstone in the journey toward financial prosperity and achieving long-term financial goals. Number 3. Pay off high-interest debt. Paying off high-interest debt is a vital step in growing your wealth. High-interest debts, such as credit card balances and personal loans, can drain your financial resources through hefty interest payments. By prioritizing debt repayment, you not only save on interest costs, but also free up more money for saving and investing. This approach not only alleviates financial stress, but redirects your cash flow toward building assets and wealth rather than servicing debt. Eliminating these financial burdens clears the path for you to allocate more funds towards investments, savings, and other wealth-building opportunities, ultimately accelerating your journey to financial security and prosperity. Number 2. Emergency fund. Building an emergency fund is a critical element in growing your wealth. It serves as a financial safety net, safeguarding your investments and savings from unexpected setbacks like medical expenses, car repairs, or job loss. By having 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses set aside, you reduce the need to dip into your investments or resort to high-interest debt during tough times. This not only protects your long-term financial goals, but also provides peace of mind, allowing you to stay on track with your wealth-building strategies. An emergency fund is a foundation of financial security that ensures your wealth continues to grow steadily, even in the face of unexpected challenges. Number 1. Create a budget. Creating a budget is a fundamental step in growing your wealth. It provides a clear roadmap for managing your finances by tracking income and expenses. By knowing where your money goes, you can identify areas for cost-cutting and allocate more towards saving and investing. A well-structured budget cultivates financial discipline, helping you live below your means and save consistently. This, in turn, accelerates wealth accumulation. Moreover, budgeting instills financial awareness, making you mindful of your spending habits and long-term financial goals. It's the cornerstone of smart financial management, enabling you to make informed decisions and ensure that your wealth steadily grows over time. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.